Okay, so I'm now on board on Mamma Mia. As you see, we have the new racing stripes, and I have installed the Jacklines. The Jacklines, what's the name in English? So as you can see, I am properly attached now. I have even 2 points, one to the stern and one that goes in front of the bow. But I will show you in detail. So let me rotate the camera. Okay, so as you can see, it's a single loop. So there are 2 lines that go to the back and goes here. So I managed not to cut the line. I'm very proud of that. This is a convenient one. So it's just a long line that is there where I will attach a connector directly to my harness. Now I don't have a second connector, but I will use a climbing ones. So this is attached here, so I can easily tuck, easy to tuck, so I can move from one side to another without having particular difficulties. Okay, I can show you that. But what is more interesting now, it is it is to show you how I will go to the. So another interesting feature of this installation, that it should be possible to stay attached while I walk into the cabin, and there I am. So I'm still attached, and I have a lot of space to stay attached inside of the boat and go out. I think this is very important. I already discovered I should make a modification on the back, because to tuck when there is the rudder it's a bit annoying, so I will have to move the knot a bit in front. When I go to the front, I want to have always the line upwind attached to me. So if I'm working on this side, I will want to have this one on that side, okay, on the opposite side attached. So I will walk to the front of the mast. Here I can easily pass, and I arrive here in the front, and there I don't know where to put the lights for a moment. In the front here, what I can do, what should I do? So if there is a lot of wind, I will temporarily hook myself there, and then I will detach that one here, and I can attach myself again on one of the 2. So now I can stand up again, because one is longer, one is shorter. I can stand up, I can operate, and then you can see also there are lines that goes up to the front, but I can not go here because of course I am attached. So again, when I switch, I should be very low with my barycenter, so I can even use the short one when I am in front, because you know, when you are in front sometimes you really want to keep your balance and you will not stand up on the front of the boat. And again, voilà. In any case, I am attached and I can walk up to the front, and wherever I go, these lines, they try to bring the forces inside of the boat. So if I go very close, I will hear this line will not be here, because I will not use the jib roller, so I will remove it, not to have it in the middle. So what I'm proud of, as I say, it's a single loop. Here we can still open the hatch, and as I have left a bit of elasticity to the system, should be still possible, yes, to free up the hatch in case an opening for emergency. So there is this possibility. Here I use Dynema to make this loop, a loop around the mast, and these are the Jackline.